The record, I believe, is definitely in the back of his head. We're going to try to keep it off his mind as much as possible and focus on the task at hand, and that's just going out and doing our job.
The rougher the track gets, the better he gets.
Eli Tomac is a 6-time Daytona Supercross winner!
The whole crew, everyone, this is unbelievable. I'll never forget this night.
My name's Kyle Chisholm, and I'm filling in on the bLUcRU Star Racing Yamaha team.
Kyle Chisholm sits in second, Ricky.
The bike's amazing. It's amazing how good. I can't believe how fast it is. Now it's up to me to go out there and have some fun and do my best.
P2, right behind Marshall. Time to run away.
But in the end, it is Eli Tomac that dominates in Indy.
Hell of a night, boys. Huge point night again. Amazing, gentlemen.
I think my mindset for Daytona is, if you look at the history, pretty much if you can win Daytona and leave Daytona with the points lead, it's a pretty good momentum for you and for the team, for the rider. That's a good spot to be in. So yeah, definitely coming into the race, we're looking to go out and do our job, go out and do what we do it every other weekend, not treat it any different. The day was actually a little different for us. You know, usually during the daytime we're just crushing the qualifying in 1-2. So we took a little bit, took us some time to get the bikes right, get the riders right. And
I think we should take time to sag off.
Like, we have everything in the truck. It's like I make one click and the whole life changes.
the record, I believe, is definitely in the back of his head. It's a big deal. It's a big thing to beat. It's a big thing to even be in the position that he's in to beat it. We're going to try to keep it off his mind as much as possible and focus on the task at hand, and that's just going out and doing our job.
Eli Tomac. So Tomac is in touch with plenty of time to go to keep that dream alive of winning his 6th Daytona Supercross.
The rougher the track gets, the better he gets. Eli's all over Chase. Clear of Chase, clear of Chase. Let's go after the leader. Nice, that line paid off.
Could he be building a remarkable comeback to take this fight to Cooper Webb to win that 6th Daytona Supercross?
Cooper got screwed by lappers. We're on his rear fender here. Come on, let's go. Dylan's catching Chase. Let's go. 2 laps, 2 laps, 2 laps.
There is nobody in the 6-time club. There is now. Eli Tomac is a 6-time Daytona Supercross winner. He's done it.
Amazing work, team. Amazing job. Amazing, boys. Good job, gentlemen. Just broke history.
Man, it was a push all the way, and can't believe we got number 6. Thank you to Monster, to Yamaha, the whole crew, everyone. This is unbelievable. I'll never forget this night.
And for Eli, it was an absolutely flawless, incredible race. You know, to break history. You know, no matter what anybody says, the pressure of the media and everything on him, of you're going to break history, it's on your head, it's in your mind. So for him to conquer it tonight's incredible. The team did an amazing job throughout the day to get both the bikes dialed in, and it showed.
My name's Kyle Chisholm, and I'm filling in on the Monster Energy Star Racing Yamaha team.
Yeah, I think bringing Kyle Chisholm onto the 250 program is a really good thing for the industry. You know, unfortunately, both of our 250 East Coast riders are injured, and we had to kind of take a step back, reset, and put our minds together and decide on what we were going to do. And we kind of looked at it as, you know what, there's people out there that have never had the opportunity to be on a factory race team. And somebody like Kyle Chisholm has done this for so long, stuck in it for so long, and the passion he has for racing is something really cool that we appreciate. It's kind of the same passion that Bobby Reagan has for racing. So Bobby really looked at it as, you know what, he's stuck it out so long in not ever having a factory ride. He deserves the chance to have a factory ride, and that was kind of our goal here, was to give somebody a chance that they've never had.
I'm sure having that personal, you know, kind of knowing him for so long obviously helps, because he knows who he's dealing with, not somebody, not a stranger. Also, I'm old compared to all the other kids racing. I'm 34. I have a lot of experience, but then they've had a lot of experience kind of seeing what they're going to get, you know, with me. A couple days on the bike, new team, new everything. The bike's amazing. It's amazing how good, I can't believe how fast it is. It's still 250, just the way it makes power is different. So just my timing, all that kind of stuff is, I'm still getting used to it, so it may take me a little bit of time. So they understand that, obviously, kind of coming into it. And now it's up to me to go out there and have some fun and do my best.
Watch, and one of the veterans you'll be seeing is Kyle Chisholm out of Florida on board that Monster Energy Yamaha Star Racing at 34, dropping in on the 250 East class. Kyle Chisholm sits in second, Ricky, and then it is Jet Lawrence moving into that second position.
Well, his best finish in the 250 class was way back 2008, 6th place, St. Louis Supercross. It was a long time ago, but he's still out there. It's hard to do, going from that 450. You know, Kyle always rides a 450, so to hop on this 250, less power, less torque. Yes, that bike is good. However, it's a lot different than a 450.
So for Eli Tomac, a rider who really depends on a good start, especially in the last couple of seasons, he's going to need a big one right here.
450 is set. The gate is loaded. And we're off.
Eli can make a good run through the whoops and make it fast.
Yes, he can. Eli Tomac up another position. Gets past Justin Marshall. Tomac gets the pass, so he wastes little time when the moment was right. After his performance last week in Daytona, this is an amazing performance for Eli Tomac. He makes it 3 mains in a row. Tomac claims the victory in the Motor City. Ferrandis now having his problems here in Detroit, and the Motor City is putting a beating.
How far are you from Tallahassee? Like, where's your base, home base? Oh. So where have you been staying?
So like, I just drove up Monday morning, rode Monday, stayed, rode Tuesday, and
Saturday night.
You know,
We're in a caravan over to the track now. So go ahead and get in your cars. We'll all follow one another. We'll go to the track side. Okay?
Oh, okay. Get in our car.
Yep.
It is water, glue, and paint. So don't drink this. And then Sean.
Alright, guys. See that wheel?
Yeah. Why don't you guys want to go?
You'll feel the bricks when we go over. Just imagine that 2.5 miles long. The original races used to take about 8 to 9 hours.
I'm scared.
The track's a little wet. It is. We actually just put a bunch of sealant on it called RPE, and it actually gets grippier when it gets wet.
good. It's fun. I mean, a little scary when you're not the one driving. It's a little wet, but it's good.
Homie's flexing.
Malcolm was scared over here. Malcolm was scared over here. Malcolm was like,
Here we go, 250 East, heat number 2 from Indianapolis. Lawrence to the inside and gets collected. Jeff Lawrence gets clipped from behind and tossed off his bike. Wow, Kyle Chisholm now into the lead. Nice moves up to second.
This is going to be unbelievable. You can hear the crowd react.
He's going to get it. Second, Kyle Chisholm in first momentarily and no longer.
Chisholm tried to cross back underneath them. Wasn't able to do it. There's a lapper there. I love Chisholm trying to go for it. Not giving up. Keeping the power down. Trying to fight off Jeff Lawrence.
She said, is that kid that passed out his friend? And I go, I don't know if that's his friend. And she goes, well, I'm going to punch him. And I go, we don't really punch people. And she goes, well, I would because he passed my dad.
Dad should have stayed in front of him.
Next time, yeah.
It's okay, I'll try again next time.
250 East main event from Indy.
Let's get a T5 and get a pace. Try to keep it breathing. Still a lot of time left. Starting to get tired, it looks like. Well, we went the right direction. We moved forward in position.
So I'll take a 7 tonight. You could have got Oldenburg and Owen, and they would have been good.
And we're just going without what, 4 or 5, whatever.
Yeah, you were solid through them.
Yeah, I just got a little tight, a little uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Not because of it, just me.
Yeah. It happens. It's intensity, new pace.
That's kind of what it is. Like, dude, like.
Intensity's hard.
Nah, whatever.
Should be P2, right behind Marshall. P4. Anderson almost went down, and we're on all over.
A lot of technique, and he has patience. I feel like this is a track with a run. We have to have patience.
Right about 10 to go, 10 laps to go.
There's Tomac doing the,
We might have him. All right. Come on, let's go. Time to run away.
A little drama on top, but in the end, it is Eli Tomac that dominates in Indy.
Huge point night again. Amazing, gentlemen. Amazing. Good job,
Ready to go. 250 main, Supercross back in Seattle. Let's go!